What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is currently about 11:26 and I just got out of bed. I am extremely tired. I don't know if you guys could tell from like the puffiness in my eyes right now. I am about on 5 hours of sleep and I have a lot to do today, so I decided I was going to vlog and bring you guys with me just to show y'all what I'm going to be doing. It has been a while since I'm filming, so I'm excited to do this now. But first things first is I'm kind of running late, so I'm going to explain as I go, but I'm just going to hop in the shower really quick and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I didn't know that I was not gonna be able to sleep last night, and I didn't know that I was gonna have to rush this morning, but I had to go pick up my cousin from the airport, so I couldn't really explain my hair routine, but the products that I use will be like down below. But yeah, now it is 2:17 and I'm gonna make myself some breakfast or brunch because I haven't ate. I'm pretty hungry. I feel nauseous. It's probably because I haven't ate and because I haven't slept. So I'm gonna do that really quickly and then we'll get back into the self-care. Even though eating is self-care, we'll get into the beauty aspects of self-care. Update, I gave up. I was so frustrated, so Fruity Pebbles it is. Honestly, I'm not even that mad though because I love cereal with everything in me. I was looking for a more, you know, healthier, more fulfilling breakfast, but this will have to do. So normally I would just sit here and watch YouTube. That's what I'm about to do right now. My phone is literally resting on my laptop because I always have to watch something while I eat, especially because I'm always like home alone all the time. So yeah, and now there's no more milk. We need to go grocery shopping. Anyways, I'm gonna eat and then I'm gonna head out to go get my eyebrows done because boy, I can't even put them in right because of how much like extra hair I got. I gotta get this out the way, so I'm gonna eat and then head out and I'll take y'all with me. Okay, so I'm now in the car on my way to get my eyebrows done, and I just thought I'd like explain a little bit of what's happening in this video. So I'm just gonna show you guys how I like, you know, pamper myself and kind of just like, you know, relax. It's been such a long time since I've had a day like this because like school has kept me so busy. It's why I hadn't been filming. Like it's been so long, so I'm really excited to be like back in the gist of things, you know what I mean? And the reason I also did this video is because later tonight for those of you who don't know, which I'm sure most of you don't, I was homecoming queen last year at my school, and so they are crowning the new homecoming queen tonight at my school at the football game. So the homecoming queen from the past year is supposed to go back to, you know, crown the new queen or whatever. So that's what I have to do, and obviously I have to like, you know, dress all nice and cute and like makeup done, hair done. So I'm pretty much just gonna be bringing you guys on that journey with me. So now I'm here about to get my eyebrows done. I'm gonna show y'all a little before and after. And yeah, y'all, I just took the biggest risk of my life. So the lady that usually does my eyebrows was not here. Apparently she's in California, and I was like, frick. I was like, dude, what am I gonna do now? Like, I literally don't trust anyone else with my eyebrows because I've gotten my eyebrows messed up so many times, which is why, like, you guys, if you watch my channel, you've probably heard me say that I literally get my eyebrows done like maybe like every 3 months or 4, even more. Like, so then this lady comes and she's like, no, like I can do it for you, whatever. And I was like, I feel bad saying no, never mind, and then walking out. But I was like, all right, let me just give her a chance, whatever. As she was waxing my eyebrows, I literally felt like she was taking off my entire eyebrow. Like it felt like she was like so like in there, you know what I mean? And the whole time, I kid you not, I was about to cry. Like I was having like an internal panic attack. I was like, what am I gonna do? I'm gonna look so terrible later. Like she ruined my eyebrows, she fucked me up, like I'm done for. Anyways, really pleased. My day is kind of going back on track now. I feel better about everything. So thank the Lord, because your girl was low-key like not having it. Why is this car riding me? Excuse you. Rude. Anyways, I'm home now, so we shall continue. What's up, you guys? So now I'm going to be moving on to the actual, you know, at-home self-care portion of this vlog. So the face mask, I literally can't remember the last time I did a face mask, but the face mask I'm doing today is the Refresh clay mask. This is by Muddy Body. It's a really good brand. This one has cucumber, aloe vera, and matcha. So I'm just gonna, a little goes a long way with this stuff, so I'm just using about this much, and then I'm just gonna add, you know, drops of water until I get the consistency I want, which is like, you know, like a nice little paste, but you don't want it to be like too thick either. So I just mix it around with this like mask applicator I have. You can find these on Amazon, but I got these from like a mask kit that I got like years ago. So now I think this is a pretty good consistency. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. I like really like to focus on my cheeks, like primarily, because obviously that's where like my problem areas are. I'm just gonna finish applying this and then come back. I ended up putting the headband back on because my baby hairs are in the way, so what the heck, whatever. Now I'm going to be moving on to waxing. So if you guys haven't already seen it, I have a whole tutorial on my channel on literally everything that I do to wax, like the before process, where I got my kit, what I think of it. Like, it's a review, it's a tutorial all in one. If you haven't, go check that out. It'll be in the description box down below. So this is my wax machine. It's obviously kind of messy. And then I bought new wax beads. So these are different than the ones I use in my tutorial, but I think I actually like these better. I'll have them linked down below if you guys are interested. While I wait for the wax to melt and my mask to dry, I'm just going to be lighting a candle because the wax can sometimes have a strong smell. This one isn't too bad, but I mean, I just like to have a good scent, I guess. So I'm just lighting this candle from Bath and Body Works. It's called Midnight Blue Citrus. This is like my absolute all-time fave. It smells so freaking good. Like, I can't even do, like, it's literally like midnight blue citrus. Like, that's like what it smells like. Does that, okay, that probably doesn't make sense, but it just, like, it smells like oranges, but like man. Imagine like a cologne for men, but like kind of orange scented. Does that make sense? I don't know. 10 out of 10 recommend. It's my fave. So again, while I'm waiting, obviously I changed because I'm a mess. I don't know. I'm a mess. I think it's the lack of sleep because everything's just been so unorganized and I've been so like just like everywhere. But after this, hopefully I have time. I don't even have a watch on. Yeah, so the weirdest thing just happened. I was just checking on the wax to see if it's cool. And look, oh my god, this is so weird. So as I like pick it up to see the consistency, look. Oh wow. Look, it's twisting. Y'all see that? What the hell? Anyways, I'm gonna just take that as a sign that it's ready. So I already like, you know, exfoliated in the shower this morning using my Tree Hut scrub because it's the bomb. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start waxing, you know what I mean? And I'm honestly like so used to this now, like I'm not even like scared for the pain or anything. I'm just like, whatever, time to wax, you know what I mean? I kind of look forward to it. It's like really satisfying to me. So let's just wrap this shit up. I learned how to peel it off with the stick now. Ooh. It do be hurting though. What I don't like about this wax though is I can't see my hair on it, like with the pink one. It was so satisfying to look at, but since this is dark, I can't even see my hair on it. So it's kind of whack. But first strip done. I'm gonna fast forward through the rest because like I said, I have a tutorial on this already. Alright you guys, I just finished waxing one arm. I don't know if you guys can see the difference on camera. So now I'm going to wash off my face mask because it's fully dry. And while I do that, I'm just going to go ahead and warm up more wax beads because I see I'm already running out. Okay guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and start doing my hair and I'm gonna be curling it. So I just start off by First of all, letting it out, I literally have like the waviest, like weirdest hair ever. Take a shot for every time I change during this video. But I got really cold all of a sudden. Oh my god. So now my hair is brushed through and it's actually not as frizzy as it normally is, so it's good. But I'm just gonna part it down the middle. So now the next step before applying heat to my hair is to apply a heat protectant, and I'm using the Tresemme Heat Tamer. I like instead of spraying this directly onto my hair, I like spraying it like into my hands. I love the smell. And then just like kind of doing it with my hands instead. Anyways, now I'm just gonna show you guys how I curl my hair, and I basically do this just by putting my hair into 2 pigtails and then just start curling like this. Sometimes I like put it in the pigtail, or like leave it in the pigtail and then curl it, but today I'm not gonna do that. I don't know why, I just don't feel like it. So I'm just gonna grab the first section of hair. This one is pretty like medium, I guess you could say. This is one of the curling irons that have like a clamp, but I don't really use it. I just kind of use it as a wand. So I'm just gonna wrap it around and hold it. And the way I do it is I pretty much just do like 1 curl away, 1 curl towards, 1 curled away, and then 1 curled towards my face, and the 2 strands in the front are always away. And yeah, so once I feel like I've had it long enough, I really don't count like I used to, but once I feel like it's been there long enough, which I think it's been there long enough, I just voila. And then sometimes I'll like hold it up so that it like cools into like more of a curl. So since we curled that one, did I curl that one away? Yeah, so since I curled that one away from the face, I'm gonna curl this one towards my face. Okay, so now once I get to this final chunk of hair, I just split it down the middle, and then this chunk will go away from my face, and this chunk will curl towards my face. Oh wait, no, switch that around. But yeah, I just think it looks better this way. Personal preference, I don't know. Okay, so this is one side of my hair all done, and now I'm just gonna do this other side off camera because I am running behind. Anyways, this is the final hair product. A little poofy, but I know they're gonna fall soon, so I'm not really worried about it. I know it's gonna look like, you know, more put together later. But yeah, I'm really feeling myself right now. Talk about self-care, baby. Okay guys, I'm gonna take an eating break with my mom and my sister. We got BurgerFi, so I'll catch y'all later. Okay guys, so now I have to get ready, and I'm very aware that my room is a mess, but I've been rushing all freaking day. So I'm gonna start off with the brows, and I'm not really gonna record like the whole process of me like doing my makeup because this isn't a tutorial and I don't have time. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna have time to do my nails, and I'm really upset about that because obviously I wanted to do my nails and it was part of the, you know, self-care vlog or whatever. And not to mention, like, you know, pictures and everything. Like, I should really have my nails done, and now I don't even know if I'll be able to. So I'm upset. But anyways, I'm gonna keep doing my makeup and then hopefully finish on time. So for today, I think I'm just gonna be doing like a little soft glam because I'm wearing a black like jumpsuit. So I wanted to do something neutral but cute because obviously the mask is gonna be covering like half of my face anyways. So I'm gonna use the OG Jaclyn Hill palette and mix these first 2 shades and then just put them all up in my crease. You know the vibes. These angles are terrible, but now I'm just going to cut my crease halfway, and I'm basically just going to do the look that I did in the Boyfriend Does My Makeup tutorial. So if you haven't watched that, it'll be in the description. And yeah. Okay, the eyes are done. I just added a cute little line of glitter and then blended the concealer with a darker brown, added lashes, and now moving on to the base. Okay guys, so this is the final look right now. I'm not going to apply any like lip gloss or anything like that because I'm going to be wearing a mask anyway, so it's just going to get sticky on the mask and it's going to feel uncomfortable. But this is what we're looking like. I'm going to do an outfit change and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the final look. I have my crown on, my sash, and I'm just wearing this like jumpsuit, ignore my teddy bear, with some short little heels. So I'll show you guys what that looks like in the mirror. Again, my room is messy, ignore that, but this is the full fit. It's just a little black jumpsuit, really nothing special. Some short little heels because I'm walking on grass, and then Okay, you guys, so I'm here now. I'm walking up to the field, I guess you could say, and it's really cold, so I have to wear my North Face over it. So now I just kind of like ruined the whole fit, but yeah. It's so loud, but I just crowned the king and queen, and they're over there. I'll show y'all, but yeah.
The 2020 homecoming queen is grwm. Yes. Drum roll, please. Jennifer Berryama.
Thank you so much for your hard work.
And to all the fans and alumni here tonight, the Student Council hopes everyone is enjoying Homecoming 2020. Thank you for your support and enjoy the rest of the game.
What's up, you guys? So I know it's dark and you probably can't see me, but that's because I'm leaving work. It is now Sunday. I finished the vlog 2 days ago, but I realized that I forgot to make an outro. So this is my outro. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed, watching me get ready and kind of what I do to pamper myself a little. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to like and subscribe, or comment any video ideas you'd like to see from me, because I could always use some ideas, because I'd be having like YouTuber's block, if you will. But yeah, it felt so good to film again after so long, after being so busy. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.